the reties are not lasting. Couldn't be me, you know. Couldn't be me. You are not ready to commit fully. I have no answers for that. Hello, beautiful dreamers, and welcome back to Life of a Dreamer. My name is Darian Wright. Thank y'all so much for tuning in today. In one of my previous videos, I talked about some of the reasons why people are taking down their microlocs, combing them out, cutting them off, what have you. And I didn't know y'all would enjoy that video so much. It got the people talking. People were asking questions, sharing their experiences, and you know, I love that. I love the little community that we have going here. So in today's video, I'm gonna be so for real with y'all. We're gonna be talking about some more reasons why people are combing their microlocs out, taking them down, cutting them off, because there's so many reasons. But I'm gonna be talking about my reasons and the things I've experienced that would probably lead me to taking my microlocs out. It's not gonna happen. Not anytime soon, of course. But just, y'all, there's pros and cons to everything. So we're gonna talk about it because I'm here to spread the information. I'm here to spread the word. I'm just here to let y'all know. So let's get into it. First things first, before we get into this video, y'all, my Microloc guide is out. It has been out for a few months now. Thank y'all so much who have ordered the Microloc guide. Just thank y'all so much. I poured so much of my heart and soul into it, and y'all are enjoying it. So if you have not checked it out, if you didn't know that it even existed, it will be linked somewhere for y'all to find it. You will definitely be able to find it. So check that out. It has all the information for beginners before you even have your microlocs installed, to when you have them installed and what to do after. So it's for beginners, for people with current locks right now. It's for everybody. So just check it out. I put a lot of me into it, and I hope y'all enjoy it. But let's get into these reasons why people are removing their microlocs. Okay, so number one, you would think this is like a no-brainer when it comes to something like getting locks installed in your head, but you'd be surprised how many people just the things people do. You are not ready to commit fully. You like the idea, you're like, oh, I could have locks. You get those microlocs installed and you enjoy them, you love them, you like them, but you are missing your loose natural hair. And that's not to say that you can't ever miss your loose natural hair when your hair is locked up in any form, because we all do. We all miss the things we're used to or what we had before. But if you're missing it to a point where it's like making you sad or like hindering you, or just you're not happy in some way because of your hair, you probably need to reconsider. Now, don't get me wrong. There are times when I see a nice silk press or a nice like style that wouldn't look the same with microlocs, but I could still do it, but it just wouldn't hit the same. And I'm like, ugh, I miss my hair. I miss my loose natural hair. And that lasts for a good like 30 seconds to a minute until I think about my detangling days and my long wash days and style days. And then I'm like, whew, back to reality. Now listen, I took about 2.5, 3 years to decide that I finally wanted microlocs after becoming fully obsessed with them. So take your time, don't let anybody rush you, move at your own pace. It's your hair, it's your decision. You'll know when you're ready. Don't rush it, because then you'll regret it, and you know, that could just go bad. And that leads to the next reason why people are taking their microlocs out, or not even getting them in the first place if they were considering them, is that you think there's no versatility. They're boring. You can't really do much. Now, if y'all don't know by now, from Pinterest to Instagram to YouTube to TikTok, there are so many styles, so many things you can do with your locks. And granted, I'm one of the girlies who doesn't do much. I have my same styles that I do, and I need to try some more. I keep saying on this channel, I need to try some more like different styles, but there's so much you could do with microlocs because they're so small, which is one of the reasons why I got them. And I wanted to keep my curls. There's so much you can do with your hair. You probably just haven't researched enough. You haven't experimented enough. I know I haven't, so I'm not judging y'all. I'm not judging y'all. We in the same boat. There are so many lock girlies that I admire because they do so much cool stuff with their hair. I'll have their pictures and stuff up here because they are doing some amazing things. And I'm definitely inspired to try some things out, some different Bantu knots, some curlers, some rollers, just all the different stuff you can do with your hair. I don't understand flat ironing the locks, but the girlies are even doing that. So you can do so much with your hair. Just get creative. There's so much to do. Don't give up. Now, another reason why the girlies, and I have heard this from different people, are taking out their locks is because they are too hot or too heavy. Now, I feel y'all on that one. I really do. Now mine right now are not too heavy. I never have that problem of feeling like they're too heavy. When I wash them, they get weighed down a little bit, and that's kind of fun to feel. It does feel a little heavy, but that's just because they're full of water. But the too hot, yeah, they get hot. Y'all, it's hot. I live in the South. I'm from the South. I've been in the South forever. It is hot, and I don't want nothing touching me. When it gets hot, or even when I'm at the gym working out, when I'm hot, when my body temperature is up, I don't want nothing touching me. So I always pull my hair up, or I pull it back, or I do a low bun or something, because I don't want to feel that. And y'all, it's just hair on top of hair on top of hair on your head. Now, I have my ways to deal with it, and it's not enough to make me want to take my microlocs out or cut them off or comb them out, but I get it. I get it. I'm not going to judge. If it's too much for you, because some people just don't like feeling things on their head. It's a sensory thing. It's overwhelming. It's overstimulating. I get it. And if that is you, do you, boo. Like, can't nobody tell you how to be comfortable, because they do get heavy and they do get hot. So, ain't much I can say about that. Another thing, another reason, and I have heard this from the girlies a lot, is the reties are not lasting. Or you have a retie and then it's like still looking frizzy. It's not like crispy and like new and nice. And I get it. I've seen it. I've seen the evidence. The before the retie and then right after the retie, and some people's hair is still looking like super frizzy. I have no answers for that. It could be hair texture, it could be the products you're using or not using, it could be how you're taking care of it, it could be how you're doing, or the person who does your reties is doing the reties. I don't know, but I seen it with my own eyes, and I don't know. And I think the last but not least, probably one of the most important reasons why the girlies are taking out their locks, combing them out, cutting them off, is that the reties are too long or too pricey. Now, I talk about this on pretty much every Microloc video that I put on my channel. Y'all, my reties stress me out. They take me about a week to do. If you don't know, I do them in the evenings. I do little sections at a time. I don't sit and do my whole head through, because that would probably take way too long. But it takes too long either way. I do little sections in the evenings, and even that is still just like, oh my God. But then again, also, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I'm gonna be so I said I was gonna be for real with y'all. Like I said, my hair grows fast, and I be waiting. I should get a retie like every 4 to 6 weeks. I be waiting like 8 weeks. One time I waited like 2, maybe 3 months. I had a lot going on. It was a lot going on in life, and I will never do that again. But yeah, it's kind of my fault. My reties probably wouldn't take as long if I did them when I'm supposed to do them. So that's kind of my fault. If we're honest, that's kind of my fault. But still, I'll be waiting so long to do them because I'm stressed. Like, I'm pre-stressed. I don't want to do it. It takes forever. So that just is what it is. But like I always say, I wouldn't trade it for anything. I mean, I would trade faster reties, but I would not trade my hair for anything, because I love it. And for the people who don't do their own reties, don't know how to do the rotations or anything like that, pick up my guide, because I talk about all that. But if that's something you do not want to do, and you have a loctician that can move pretty fast, sometimes it's a little pricey. That speed can be a little pricey. Or having a good loctician that you trust, maybe you got to travel to them, or, you know, just scheduling things, like, it could be a little pricey, and that's what the girlies are complaining about. So again, I feel you. I understand. It is what it is. It's just some of the reasons why the girlies are getting over their microlocs. I've seen a lot of comparisons as to like the maintenance of microlocs compared to like the styles they would get before, if they were do protective styles like braids or boho twists or faux locks or anything like that, versus the one price to get your locks interlocked or retied in whatever way that you get them done. So it's really just up to you. It's a personal thing. All of this is just a personal thing, a personal preference. I love my hair. I wouldn't trade it for the world. So those are just some things that I have heard with my ears. I have seen with my eyes on the interwebs of reasons why the girlies are combing their microlocs out, cutting them off, just switching it up and being done with microlocs. Couldn't be me, you know. Couldn't be me. I love my locks. I love this lock life. I'm locked in. Over 3 years now. We hit our 3 years mark. I debated about making a video for that. Let me know in the comments down below if y'all want to see that. I try to make an anniversary video every year, but this year Oh Lord, I'm trying to get back to me. I got a lot going on and I'm just trying to get this new version of me going. But we could do like a Q&A for my 3 years log because I still have so many questions, and I always love that. I love talking to y'all and helping y'all out in any way. So just let me know in the comments down below. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank y'all so much for tuning in today. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hype it up. YouTube is doing a hype thing now, so don't forget to hype this video up because y'all really hyped up the last one. So thank y'all so much for that. And don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Follow me on my other social media because that's where all my short form videos are too. So thank y'all so much for tuning in and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.